Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came with another B.ED video. Today I have came with a video of B.ED learning. So the name of the topic of B.ED learning today is determining objectivity of a tool, as you can see on the screen. So in this particular practical, we are going to learn about the way the objectivity practical you can do. It is this objectivity of a tool practical is in 1.2.9 in B.ED program as a second practicum, not the first one but the second practicum. You can check out another video of framing the questions, questions. That particular video in my channel, I have also made that particular video for the first practical of 1.2.9. You can also check out that, and also you can check out some other videos related to B.ED learning and B.ED practicum which I have done in my channel. So now I'm going to talk about this determining objectivity of a tool. So, and if you really love my video, do like, share and comment. Let's start. So as you can see, this is the first page. As I have, this is the second practical. So before this, there will be no objective of the topic, or the selection of the topic. That will be written in the first one only, not in the second part. Here is the index. As you can see, I have made the index in a coloring chart paper. You can also do that. Now comes the introduction. In the introduction part, as you can see, I have written what is definition of objectivity, what are its context, how it is important, and all that thing we will be doing in the introductory part. The next one is the features of objectivity. Features can also be written as characteristics. So here the features of objectivity will be also can be written as characteristics of objectivity. It will be the same thing. So there will be no difference of it. Then here comes the steps of objectivity. What are the steps to be followed to do an objectivity? First, you can see is the purpose, then you can see is the use of proper language, then it is time and marks, then you have classification of marks and marks or score, then you can see the duration, then you have clarity of language. So all this you can see, there's all these things are the steps of objectivity. In the next one comes the types of objectivity. So what are the types of objectivity? All these materials you can get in your prescribed books of your colleges or university, or you can take the help of the internet from which I have also written here. So this actually all the information you can get in the internet, but there are certain things that means the procedures and everything that has to be done. So for understanding the procedure and everything, so this is the video for which you can understand the procedure and all and everything, and also you can take a help from my video also about writing. So as you can see, I have written the types. First is the matching test, then is the multiple choice test, true false test, then correct or incorrect tests. Then you have a simple recall test, then you have best answer test, then complete test and classification test. So all these things you can find it in the internet, so you can write it also from there or from the books. Then comes the advantages of objectivity. As you can see, I've written it in the star mark, or you can write it in some other way also. Then comes the disadvantages of objectivity. This I've did it in a bit of change here, the pointings. Then you have model 8 objectivity. So in this part, this will be based on your method paper, and in model 8 objectivity, so you can understand what is objectivity. Objectivity means the kind of tests which are being done by the means by us to understand if the student are learning well. So these are what is the model 8 objectivity is. Okay, so in 8 objectivity you have to give 8 different types of questions. Okay, so full marks here will be 25. Here I have taken my method paper. You have to take your own method, respective method paper. For me it was history, for you it can be geography, life science. His means other the mathematics or any other thing that you can take. You to take a prescribed class. It has to be from class 5 to class 12, any of the class you can take from that. And the duration will be for 30 minutes and the full marks will be 25. It will be not more than 25, it will be only, the marks will be 25 only. So within 25 marks you have to do all the 8 types of questions you have to give. So this is what is the challenging part here. Then in 25 marks 8 type of questions to be given, that is a challenging part. But that is also a challenging part for a teacher, to do sometimes for the students. So that is exactly the reason what here, in this practical, they wanted to see that as a teacher if you are able to do that. So that is the reason why I have done it. See, first I have given multiple choice questions here. I have given it in 5 marks. Means for 5 marks means 5 into 1, 5 questions 1 mark, as you can see here. Then I have given fill in the blanks for 2 marks in each, for 2 marks for each, for each question 1 mark. Then I have given here, one word substitution. Again you can see for each there is 2 marks. Then I have given complete the sentences. I have given here matching tests, as you can see. I have given here, then I have come to true false, then correct and or incorrect sentence, and classification of series. So by doing, see, I have given 8, means 8 different types of questions I have given here. So in 8 different types of question within 25 marks I have given. So it has to be very short, nothing long, because obviously if you give long then you have to give a lot of marks there, which is not very possible. So for that reason you have to give one word answer, true false, fill in the blanks, for which you can give 1 or 2 marks, would be easier for the students and also for you to give the marks well. And you have in this particular part, like in the other video if you seen framing questions, and in other video you can see there I have given sample questions but no answer sheet. But here it is mandatory to provide an answer sheet. So as you can see, the question paper which I have been made for 8 different types of questions, according to that I have given, on the basis of that, this is the answer sheet which I have provided, and which is mandatory to provide in objectivity of a tool in this particular practicum. Now I come to the conclusion. So in conclusion you have to write the whole summary of the practicum. It means whatever you have done, what has to should have been to be done, all this is a summary you have to do. Then comes the references. So this is the end of my video. So if you really enjoyed my video, if you really loved my video and the presentation, please do let me know. Please do say or give your feedback and advice in the comment. Please do let me know if you really want to watch any other kinds of video, if B.ED learning, as I do educational purposes video. So that is the reason why, if you really want to know or want to learn some other kinds of learning videos, you please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.